A few things I forgot on yesterday's video. One, the air can draw in or out from my little computer fans through that 3D printed vent. And the other one, intake and exhaust, is up there. Got the air conditioner running right now. Have a 12 volt out here if I'm cooking off the tailgate, and a 12 volt shore power in here, 120 volt, and then my 3D printed solar panel inputs. And then I took a boat step that somebody tossed and made this little bracket that comes on and off, and then that can come down. You can step on it like that or drop it down, and then if I leave it up, I can also run these bigger steps up here, which if we're camping longer we kind of use. And then this door is also a Dutch door in case somebody would close the tailgate on us. We have a lock inside too, the keyless entry, passcode, and keys with both the deadbolt. And then took 2-inch angle iron and made stronger lock positions than just the wood. And then this grab handle I picked up for stout grab, 3D printed the other one. And then up in here I have two 120 outlets there, 2 more up there, and 2 more in the desk with USB here, USB there. I'm going to turn off the air conditioner. 3D printed a little deflector so it doesn't blow directly on you. And there's the little computer fans. And since they're variable speed but not reversible, if I want the flow the other way, we just turn them around on the magnets. That seems to work pretty good. Same on the front end here at the head of the bed. And then this can either come on or off. A little bit of extra storage for phones and stuff at night. And then also electric blanket there, 1500 watt heater. Then this little heater, now my other 30 quart fridge freezer underneath here. And then turn on the heater, and its thermostat is this bar, and a little 150 watt 12 volt. But once this is warmed up, that 150 watt more than keeps it running about half the time, keeps this at 65, 70 inside, no problem. And just set the thermostat what you want it to. So now it's set at 67. That's where I usually leave it set. And then water maker, inductive cooktop, and then the dash cam. Now that goes off the dash. Since it's wireless, we just I have 2 thumb screws here, attaches it to the insert nuts in the front dash in the front, little bungee cords, the electric blanket, other blankets stored here. And then also I put a spotlight, so I turn that on, and it's out here. But what I did with it is mounted it with magnets, so then I can set it on the side if we're cooking over here or whatever. And we've got a remote spotlight. Warning, the sign is only a distraction while I'm getting ready for you. And then that's stored. Oh, and then the floor is insulated. That's 2 inches of foam insulation with 3/8 inch plywood. And then by just taking these 4 screws out, and there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 screws holding the back wall to the floor, and then inside of here into riv nuts there's 2 more screws come out. Then this whole cabinet section lifts with the topper, and I can disconnect it or lift it with the topper, because I usually store it in the 20-foot rafters of my workshop. Just got a hand hoist, and it hoists up there because it's only a couple 100 pounds with the air conditioner left on and everything. And I think that's about it. Yeah, and then in the also 3D printed anti-carjacking device holder. And then for more serious insult, in my storage bin up here, I've got the real anti-carjacking device. 23 rounds of 12 gauge or 15 of the full 3-inch length ones. So anyway, that's it.